안녕하세요. Hi everybody. Okay, we have another example. Let me introduce는 소개한다는 말이에요. Introduce another example. Y equal x square over 4 minus x minus 5 over 4. 이거 how can you draw a graph? You can guess. Your guess is alright. Okay. 그러니까 뭐 할 적에 항상 할 적에 산수나 이 사이언스는요, 먼저 guess를 해보고 자기 생각나는 대로 이건 이렇게 생겼다고 하고 나서 나중에 프루프하는 겁니다. 그래서 뭐든지 다 실험하고 나서 생각대로 해본 다음에 실험을 해서 프루프하는 거예요. 마찬가지로 I'm going to use your idea. Okay, you say graph looks like this, or you can say, you cannot say this because this is a minus. So, but any kind of graph, maybe not exactly this one. Maybe you think this one or this one. I don't know. But I picked this one for convenience. 쉽게 하려고 이거 해봤어요. Anyway, that's our guess. Okay. So this location is y-intercept, 한국말로는 y절편, 여긴 x절편, 요거는 꼭지점, vertex, 영어로는 y-intercept, x-intercept, vertex. 근데 이 location은 question인데 괜찮아요. question 1, question 2 doesn't matter. Anyway, question is okay. So to find the x-intercept right there, given information이니까 주어진 팁은 we're gonna use a given information. So you don't know x location, but you know clearly y is 0. That's why just questioning y. So plug this one over here. Okay. So y is 0, x is a question. Plug in. So I will write this way. Okay, then we have this 분모에가 4가 있으니까 little headache. It's inconvenient. So I'm gonna get rid of this number times 4 each side. So times 4 each side. So simple version is x0 equal question minus 4 question minus 5. X0 should be here, so it is the same. Okay? So you know how to do this. Mix and match, cross multiply and match. So make sure divide this way, including sign over there, So question is a question times question. Minus 5 is minus 5 times 1. So cross multiply, 5 question plus question and adding come up to minus 4 question. This is magic. So answer is this. So question minus 5, question plus 1 equals 0. I'm gonna rewrite this way. So question is, that means equals 0. This is equal 0. So question is 5, question is minus 1. So you know the question, so I'm going to rewrite this over there. Minus 1 and 5. So our guess is wrong. So should be 5 and minus 1. So our guess is wrong. I'm going to adjust it. Readjust it. Minus 1 should be over there. So I draw this way. 5, 0. Minus 1, 0. This is correct. Anyway, our guess is wrong, so we're gonna readjust it. Now, how about this one? Y-intercept. Y-intercept is 0 and question, right? So we're gonna plug this over here. X is 0, Y is question. So I did it. Question 0, 0, 0. So question is minus 5 over 4. So I'm gonna write there minus question minus 5 over 4. So my guess is wrong. So should it be should be this. Should be this location. Should be. I'm gonna adjust, pull down a little further. Now question is vertex. Question is vertex. Okay. How can you do vertex? Okay. I just rewrite this way. I rewrite in the original equation. vertex는 꼭지라는 말이에요. 그래서 we don't like this number over here, so inconvenient. So make it simple. So I pull out the 4분의 1. I pull out the 1 over 4. Our concern is this. We're gonna make a square, perfect square from this one and this one. Combine this. So from here, I'm gonna pull 1 over 4 pull out. Then this is gonna be x squared minus 4x. Okay, I write minus 5 over 4. Then from this, to make a perfect square, this number divide by 2. 2로 나눈 다음에 n square. So divide by 2 is 2. Square is 4. That's why plus 4 minus 4 will be the same as this. Okay? Then we need this part, so we have to get rid of this. So pushing out. 바깥으로 빼면 되는 거예요. 그럼 이거는 여기고, 이거는 pushing out 할 적에 make sure 4분의 1 곱하기 이거 해가지고 쓰고 and minus 5 over 4. Okay? And then this is 4분의 1, 1 over 4. This is a perfect square. Just like a step formula, x minus 2 square. This one, we did it more simple, minus 9 over 4. So, from this, we're going to move this over this side. Y plus 9 over 4, top equal 1 over 4, x minus 2. That means, original graph is y equal, this is y, holding y equal minus, I'm sorry, 1 over 4 x squared. Original graph. Then this meaning is y is replaced by y plus 9 over 4. Then means also x is replaced by x by x minus 2. That means you move the graph positive to direction. This meaning is pushing down to the minus direction. So this is the original graph y equal 1 over 4x. So pushing this and pushing down, graph looks like this. So vertex is 2 and minus 9 over 4. So if you are familiar with this one, always in a book say this is y-intercept. Yeah, that's quite alright, because once you plug in a zero in question, should be this one is a y-intercept. That's why 선생님하고 책에서 this is a y-intercept, memorize it. No, never memorize it. Make sure you understand it. Once you memorize it, couple of weeks, it's not yours. You are nothing. You don't know nothing. Okay. Another important thing, very intriguing and exciting thing is this. 2차 방정식에서 y equal, 2차 방정식 equal, this one is the same as this, right? So x squared over 4 minus x, minus 5 over 4 equals 0. You have to solve this. The question is, okay, thing is this. This one looks like same as this. Same as this, yes. This is a question, right? This is x. Instead of this, this question is x. So they are same. This one is the same. Then what is this meaning? Okay, instead of this, I'm gonna put y right there. Right there. Then y is, that means this case, instead of this I'm going to write right there. Then actually it's a 0, right? So y is 0. This is y is 0. This is y is 0, right? So that means you're looking for this location. Then what is x? Look at this one. This one is a question, right? Question. What is the question? Right there, right there. That's why this x should be same as this answer. 5n minus 1. That means 5n minus 1. So 2차 방정식에서 y such as let me give you another example for you. More simple one. Y, no, not y. X squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. This kind of things. That means this is y, right? Say y is 0. So y is 0. This location y is 0. This location y is 0. Actually find out this location. Okay, this location. Oh, I think I made a mistake over here. Oh, y is 0 right there. I'm looking for this. Y is 0. 0. So this meaning is looking for x-intercept. x-interception. 한국말로 말하면 x 절편을 찾는 이 말의 뜻은 0 equal 이거는 x 절편을 찾는 뜻이에요. 그런데 책에서는 x의 근을 찾아라. 이렇게 다른 말로 표현한 거예요. x근. 영어로는 root of x. 더 쉬운 말로는 value of x 라고 이걸 value, root of x 그러지 말고 value of x나 똑같은 말이에요. root of x는 이 근을 찾는 데는 근. 그래서 root가 뿌리니까 x의 근을 찾는 데는 얘기예요. 결국은 x-interception을 찾는 거나 마찬가지라는 뜻이에요. 아시겠죠? 그 다음에 이제 이 다음 렉처 다음에는 이제 허근은 뭐를 얘기를 하냐면 허근은 없다라는 뜻이에요. 허근은. 그래서 허근은 이런 거예요. 예를 들어서 어떤 such graph like this, such graph like this, like this. 이거는 y-interception, yes, y-interception, yes, but no x-interception. 그러니까 x가 없어. 그러니까 허근. 근이 없다라는 말인데, 이거는 1번 거를 번역을 했기 때문에 여러분들이 허근 그러면은 허근이라고 그러는데 사실은 이거를 갖다 이런 식으로 하게 되면은 사이언스 하는데 문제가 굉장히 많아요. 그래서 이건 no root. 정확한 표현은 no root. 아니면 no x-intercept or no any value, no value for x. 이렇게 얘기를 해야죠. 허근 그러면은 좀 말이 안 되는 것 같아요. 오케이? Thank you.